Hi, it's Grace St. Clair from St. Clair Law, Quality Estate Planning. We're an estate planning firm here in Redondo Beach, and I always talk to my clients about planning their estates. So what is an estate? Do I have a big enough estate? Well, if you have a gate, I like to say you have an estate, because many people don't realize even small estates need to be planned. If you don't plan your estate, somebody else probably will do it for you, and it's not going to be the person that you want to do it. So what are some of the reasons not to plan your estate, just to put a little humor into it? I like paying taxes. So yes, there are federal estate taxes that are really high right now. It's likely those are going to diminish significantly. We don't know how much, and you'll never know. So the idea is to plan your estate and protect yourself now while you can. Otherwise, you'll be paying a lot in taxes. California might even start adding more taxes because you know how we like taxes in California. Reason number 2, I think the state officials will be better at managing my assets than I will be. Do you really think that? Have we seen more than that in our lifetime here in California? So you say to yourself, I elected these officials to handle my affairs, and I'm sure they have my best interests at heart. I guess the best example of this is the Prop 19 that we just passed, where now we have to have a single family member living in a home that we want to pass to our children. So this is a new law that was designed to protect you, but hasn't done so. So I think this is definitely an interesting one. Reason number 3, I believe my minor children will be best served by using a state agency. Without proper estate planning and naming proper guardians, the state will decide who gets custody of your children. And oftentimes the volunteers are the ones you don't want to take care of your children. Reason number 4, my spouse and young children will be able to handle large sums of money. It's their inheritance. If they lose it, it's okay. A well-drafted estate plan will be able to handle those things and allow children who are too young to really handle large sums of money to manage those assets over time. There's a special needs trust that might be required if you have a child that can't handle money or has substance abuse problems or has Down syndrome or something like that. There may need to be business succession planning trust, a general needs planning trust, or asset protection trust also. These can protect your assets over time instead of allowing them to be lost and actually create your intent in the end. I'll just put my names of my children on my accounts. That should be fine. Actually, no. It's taxable now. It's a gift now, and it can be lost to their creditors, their spouses, anyone else who has access to their money as well. Reason number 6, I made a will several years ago. I'm sure that's fine. Many things change over time. We can't just have that attitude. You got to pick up the dust off your old plans, get them out, and start again. I'm sure something has changed in the interim. Reason number 7, I don't have any assets, so why bother? Well, one of the most important things we need to be concerned about is our incapacity. What's going to happen in case we become incapacitated? This is something that's worth more than money in some cases because it could mean who's going to take care of you when you can't take care of yourself. It's much better to have that choice written out and taken care of for your safety. And my all-time favorite, reason number 8, I will never die. I know we all would like to think that, but unfortunately, death and taxes are inevitable, and it would be much better to figure out what you would like to do with your assets and handle your family's issues before they have to handle them for themselves. Thank you very much. 8 reasons not to plan your estate makes it more interesting and necessary to plan your estate. Grace St. Clair, St. Clair Law, Quality Estate Planning. We're here to help. Thank you.